One of the most spectacular and unusual camellia species which we grow is Camellia oleifera, and it flowers, as you will see here, in October. So it's really very unusual. The buds look like small white balls hanging down from the tree, and they come out progressively. The anthers and stamens have this rather nice orangey effect which sets off nicely against the white petals. This is a very old tree. It's a Chinese tree, and the leaves were used in tea making. It's not the tea tree that produces the tea which you drink today, but 100 years ago the plant explorers were seeing native Chinese boiling up these leaves and drinking them as tea. Can't say I've ever tried it, but if you want something unusual to grow in your garden that'll flower in the autumn, this is certainly a camellia species for you to try. And we've even got a wasp clinging in there, drinking a bit of autumn nectar and indulging itself. Anyway, a spectacular tree, about 40 foot high here, and in full flower in October.